Hello, this is Vishal. So this is a chatbot which we have created on bot framework composer. It is using the MS Azure platform. Here we are using the newest functionality available from given by Microsoft on their Azure platform. So in this chatbot, what we have done, we have created a menu for a pizza restaurant. So here you can see we can see multiple pizzas as a menu initially in a carousel. So whenever the bot starts, it gives out a greeting and a menu for pizza. So we can choose any one pizza from the carousel over here. Then it will ask us about the size of the base and the type of crust which we want. And it asks us if we want to add another pizza to it, to our order. So we can select any of these pizzas, like we go for Chicago Classic. And then we can select another size like medium pizza with a thin crust. Then we can move on to next sections of our menu. Now we will see the side orders which we want. We can take any of these, like we can take garlic bread. Then I think we'll choose Coca-Cola. All these menus will be displayed similarly like these carousel form with cards, hero cards. We can choose a dessert from over here, like lemon Italian ice. And in the end, it gives us our final order, wherein the number of pizzas which we have ordered would be displayed here as a integer quantity, and the pizzas which we have ordered with their size and type of crust which we have selected. And here's the side order which we took, and the drinks and desserts, and here the total bill which is generated for us for our order. So this is the final demo of the pizza chatbot. Okay, thank you.